Try this dish. You will love it. Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to cook Bún Bò Huế with Instant Pot. Let's do it. For the ingredients, we need 1 kilogram of beef bone, 500 grams of shin of beef, 500 grams of pork legs. We also need 1 onion, 3 lemongrass branches, a few slices of ginger, 2 tablespoons of rock sugar, Huế fermented shrimp paste, that's the MVP, also salt, then fish sauce of course, and chili powder with oil. For the topping, we have pork blood jelly, Vietnamese sausage. We also need bean sprouts, cilantro, onion, and lemon. We also need 1 pack of dry noodles. Begin by cooking the bones and the meat in boiling water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, drain the hot water. Then rinse the meat with cold water. Put the beef bone and the beef shank first. Then add the lemongrass, the onion, also ginger, and rock sugar. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Also add hot water to the maximum level. Close the lid, then switch to sealing. Select the manual mode and cook for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cook the pork blood jelly in boiling water with a little salt to clean it. Mix 2 tablespoons of Huế fermented shrimp paste and half a cup of warm water. Then stir it well. After 30 minutes of cooking the bones, take out the beef shank and add the pork leg. Then add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Cover the lid, then keep at sealing. Select again the manual mode and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out all the ginger, lemongrass, and onion. Then add the dissolved shrimp paste to the pot. Also add 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 tablespoon of chili pepper, then seasoning to taste. It's perfect. And voila! Here you go. Looks so yummy. Bon appétit!